Good evening everyone. My name is Nevedram. I am studying third class. Now my school name is Penn School. I woke up 8 to 7 and I brush my teeth and I bath and I ate breakfast and I went to school. Prayer is finished. After that, first period is maths. Second period is English. Third break after Telugu after maths after social after computer after diary after correction after evening prayer after we went to down. I played. After that, my mother came and picked me. After I reached to home, I removed my shoes. Again, bath. I ate some snacks and I came to tuition. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.